Hey guys, I am taking on the challenge of decluttering all of these toys that our 7-year-old has. I have not been through his toys since we've been in his house, and it's coming up 3 years. So I know I was well overdue to go through these toys and declutter, especially right here after Christmas. As you can see, my baby has so much stuff, toys that he don't even need anymore. So we are sitting here kind of going through these toys and picking out the stuff that he no longer plays with, straightening up the stuff that he received during Christmas, and we have a pile of toys that we're going to give away. But I don't even think I realized the challenge that I was up against and faced, because I cannot stand a whole lot of clutter. But I knew that he had a lot of toys, and I needed to get up there inside their room to get his stuff straightened out and in its place, so it's not full of anxiety for me just knowing that he has all these toys and he's bringing stuff up from Christmas that there was no space for. And I've been kind of decluttering around the house, just different areas of the house. So that is what is taking place now. Listen, it has been a job just looking at all this stuff, and then he's sitting here and I'm like, listen, you gonna help out with this, because there's no way I'm about to take on this task to do all of this myself. So I started having him sit here and kind of put stuff in different piles so that we can know the stuff that was trash, stuff that we were keeping, and the stuff that we were giving away. At this point, y'all, I'm sitting here like, really, what is going on? I'm calling for him because I'm like, he is going to take part in this cleanup. Like, you are not going to have me doing this, because around here we have all hands on deck at LaSharika Homeschool, so everybody partakes in the cleaning up process. And baby, even though, yes, we bought all these toys for him over the years, we have been the ones that have purchased these toys, but that does not mean he was not going to help and partake in cleaning these toys up that are toys of his. I'm calling him. I sent him downstairs to get a big trash bag to let him know it was real. Go get a trash bag so we can start putting the trash directly into this trash bag, because what we not going to do is put the stuff to the side and have him think for 1 second that there was stuff that was going to go back, put up with his toys. Absolutely not. There's no way. When I say I'm decluttering, I am literally meaning every word of that. We are decluttering. We are giving away what we can, and we throwing away what's trash that nobody else wants anyway because it's trash. We are just not going to do that. It's time to get rid of it and move on to something else. Now, from this angle, I don't know if this made me feel more overwhelmed with all the toys, because it seemed like it's more stuff than it was from the other angle of the camera. But we are still getting to it. He got under the bed and pulled some of the toys out that he had under the bed, kind of some of the big stuff, because I knew it was more stuff under there that he can get to play with. And then look, here I am under the bed. I'm making sure everything is out because I know my son, and he'll say, oh no, that other stuff under there that I play with. And I, of course, found something that he no longer plays with. So I took it and I had him put that in the giveaway pile because we are going to give it away. But I just wanted to make sure everything was out from under that bed, even though I don't know how I felt about me being under there. But I know in order to make sure it's done and put away like it needs to, I had to get my hands dirty, so to speak, and get down low and get under that bed myself. It's like finally we're getting to it. The floor is getting back clear and it feels oh so good. I'm like, yes, we are finally getting somewhere, and we're just about at the end of this decluttering session with this 7-year-old's toys, and it is looking amazing. This makes me feel good because I have been putting this off, and again, this is something that I knew I had to get to. And just with all of the holiday stuff that we just finished, you know, being in the holiday season, I knew this was coming, but it definitely feels good to start off in this new year with decluttering. And just looking forward to springtime, when it's time for me to do my spring cleaning. I won't have as much to do because I've already taken the steps by decluttering coming into the new year. So when spring cleaning time comes, I will literally be just doing spring cleaning more or less. I won't be having to go through toys and throwing toys away or giving toys away because I have already done it and took the steps that I needed to get to this space. So my spring cleaning should go over very, very smoothly. I will literally just be cleaning, and I like that. I like that for me. So here we go, guys. We are here. We are at the end of this cleaning. I appreciate you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like this type of content, and I'll see you on the next video.